True or false? When looking at advertisements, it is important to understand if the ad provides useful information or plays on emotions. True, false. Why are consumer publications good to look at before making a purchase? Choose all that are correct. A. Gives testing and ratings of products. B. Can provide useful information for specialty products such as cameras or hiking boots. C. Offers coupons for better deals for expensive products. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Blank sales will usually be held at a time when consumer purchases are down. A blank sale will often be held to make room for new merchandise. Impulsive, clearance, promotional, loss. True or false? Never make a shopping list. It is more fun to just spend money without thinking. True, false. Match the different types of advertisements with their correct examples. Column A: 1. Self-preservation. 2. Self-esteem. 3. Personal enjoyment. 4. Constructiveness. 5. Destructiveness. 6. Curiosity. 7. Imitation. Column B: A. Listen to me, I'll tell you how to destroy things. B. Listen to me, you'll have more fun. C. Listen to me, I'll keep you alive. D. Listen to me, I'll answer your questions. E. Listen to me, I'll make you just like someone else. F. Competition or becoming part of a group. G. Listen to me, I'll help you improve things.